Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video, I will be showing you guys how to report a Facebook account. Do you know that reporting an account can lead to the removal of offensive Facebook account? So let's dive into the Facebook reporting and learn how to do it. Open your Facebook app and search for the account to whom you want to report. Then tap on the three dotted like icon present on the right side of the username. This will lead you to profile settings page. Tap on report profile. Then select the cause and then submit it. Then confirm it by tapping on done. Remember to use this feature responsibly and only report the accounts that genuinely violate the Facebook community standards. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social media tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.